What makes a successful entrepreneur? Hello, and welcome to the channel. If you're dreaming of making it big in the business world, understanding what makes a successful entrepreneur is crucial. Today, we're breaking down the essential traits and habits that can set you up for success. Ready to discover what it takes to thrive as an entrepreneur? Let's jump right in. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered what sets successful entrepreneurs apart from the rest? Today, we're uncovering the key traits and habits that can help you build a thriving business and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. If you're ready to take your entrepreneurial journey to the next level, let's dive in. 1. Vision and passion. Successful entrepreneurs often have a clear vision and a deep passion for their business. They know what they want to achieve and are driven by a strong sense of purpose. Having a vision helps you stay focused and motivated, even during challenging times. Passion fuels your dedication and enthusiasm, making it easier to overcome obstacles and inspire others. 2. Resilience and adaptability. Entrepreneurship is full of ups and downs. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. Successful entrepreneurs view failures as learning opportunities rather than obstacles. Adaptability is also crucial. Being open to change and willing to pivot your strategy when necessary can help you navigate the ever-evolving business landscape. 3. Strong work ethic. A strong work ethic is a cornerstone of entrepreneurial success. Successful entrepreneurs are often willing to put in long hours and make sacrifices to achieve their goals. They stay disciplined, set clear goals, and maintain a high level of productivity. This dedication helps them push through challenges and stay on track towards their objectives. 4. Effective networking. Building and maintaining a strong network is vital for entrepreneurial success. Networking allows you to connect with mentors, potential clients, and industry peers who can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Successful entrepreneurs know how to leverage their network for advice, support, and partnerships that can help their business grow. 5. Financial acumen. Understanding the financial aspects of running a business is essential. Successful entrepreneurs have a solid grasp of budgeting, financial planning, and cash flow management. They know how to allocate resources effectively and make informed financial decisions. Good financial management helps ensure the long-term sustainability and profitability of their business. 6. Innovation and creativity. Entrepreneurship often involves thinking outside the box and finding innovative solutions to problems. Successful entrepreneurs are creative and open to new ideas. They continuously seek ways to improve their products, services, and business processes. Embracing innovation can set you apart from competitors and keep your business relevant in a changing market. 7. Leadership and team building. Being a successful entrepreneur also means being an effective leader. Building and leading a strong team is crucial for achieving business success. Successful entrepreneurs inspire and motivate their team, delegate tasks effectively, and create a positive work environment. Good leadership fosters collaboration and drives the team towards common goals. Conclusion. Success as an entrepreneur isn't about having a single trait, but a combination of skills, habits, and mindset. By embracing vision, resilience, hard work, networking, financial savvy, creativity, and leadership, you can pave the way for entrepreneurial success. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building a successful business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your entrepreneurial journey.